And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create flares for text. We'll start here. I've got a text on a different layer and a background. Let me right click on my text layer, alpha to selection. This selects the outline of my text. Now I use the gradient tool. I use foreground to background and I make it radial. Left click and drag on this text selection. And now you've got start and end point. And you can adjust the color of it right here. By the way, if you're totally new to Gimp and you've never created text before, check out my playlist. I've made a video about that. For the endpoint, I use this color, then left click on the start point, and I make it a little bit lighter. Maybe something like this. Then select none, and we're ready to add our flares. I'll create a new layer for this. I'll call it flare. Make sure that it's transparent. And I'll rename my text layer so that we know that this was the text. And above we've got our flare layer. Select your paintbrush and then select this inbuilt brush style. Make it white. And you can adjust the size over here. Simply left click and you can intensify it by left clicking multiple times. And if it's too much, just press Ctrl Z and you can get rid of the last clicks. I use this one, so once or twice clicked. Then I use the scale tool, left click on it. Drag this top point to the bottom, but you also have to hold Shift while you do. Copy this layer, use the rotate tool, left click, make it 90. Confirm your rotate. And now we've got this cross flare. I can merge these two layers, so now I have it on one single layer. Finally, I'll use the brush tool again. I go down with the size. And let me zoom in a little bit. I want to place it in center and then left click. But it was too small, I press Ctrl Z and I increase the size a little bit. Once again, I go to the center, left click, and it should be fine. Now I only have to use the move tool and reposition this flare. If I want to have multiple, just copy this layer and then use the move tool again to reposition a new one. And this is how you can create these flares for text effects in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.